settled in, got all our clothes ready for the night, put everything away. One thing I forgot to mention when we checked in, we got a complimentary, like a voucher for 2 free whiskey tastings and free dessert here at the hotel. So we're gonna go downstairs right now, and then we're gonna go to an early dinner because we have to be at the MGM probably like around 9, 8:45 or 9, watch the show. I talked to a friend of mine who's a promoter out here, and it's spring break weekend here in Vegas, and we're gonna go see one of my favorite DJs ever. I'm gonna go see Kaskade at Omnia at Caesar's Palace tonight. So I'm excited for that. So let's just go and let's just see what the day brings to us. I'll catch you guys later. What's your guys' favorite? Anybody a whiskey drinker, bourbon, whiskey, whatever it is? Sorry, excuse my lack of knowledge of this type of what is it called? There's like a word, like a fancy word for it. Something like libation. Libation. Well, it's not libation because it's just straight liquor. I don't know. I'm already buzzed. Sorry guys. Okay, bye. Okay, so the bartender instructed us to do middle, top, and then this one be last. So he said pour it in here. We just tried the first one. I just saw that it's Knob Creek. It's 100 proof. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun night tonight. All right, we're on to the second one. The second flight, it's Jim Beam Black. Extra H bourbon, 86 proof. The first one was 100. So here we go. Let's try this. It's better than the first one. This is, we love vodka or tequila, but the second one is better than the first one. Not bad. All right, so we are going on to the last one, which is Maker's Mark. This is a 94 proof. So last one, here we go. Oh, that's rough. Alright, so we just finished with all the tastings. I'm gonna stick to vodka or tequila because this is rough. It was samples of like the stronger of each of the whiskeys, bourbons, whatever. Alright guys, so we just finished. I didn't think they were gonna bring us like pretty premium whiskey shots. We each had 3. They're super strong, but bartender, we didn't get his name, but he's gonna be there tomorrow. Hey guys, so we just came to early dinner. We are at Raw Sushi. It's a pretty cool spot. We've never been here before. It's across from the Encore and the Wynn. We got a bunch of rolls, some Sapporo, and some wontons. So now I'll show you guys a little bit of the ambiance in the restaurant. Beautiful scenery. Such a really cool place. Yeah, it's a cool spot. Oh, it's a few hours later and we are done with our early dinner. Got ready. We are running super late for the show, so we're about to catch our lift, head over to MGM. Hopefully be allowed into the show because we're late. It starts in like 40 minutes and we're still kind of away. We're gonna head out and then pretty sure I can't record in there. If I can, I'll do whatever I can. I'll show you guys what I can. If I can, I can. See you guys when I see you guys. Alright, so we made it into Ka. I'm so sweaty, we rushed here, but we made it. We're here. Just finished at Caw here at MGM. It's a lot of fun. Lots and lots of fun. We were in the second row. I didn't think they were gonna be that close up. We were literally in the second row. It was a different perspective. The last time we saw the show, which was the first time, all the way in the back. And this time we were row number 2. So it was a lot of fun. I think we're gonna grab a bite to eat and then we'll go to the club. See you later. Hey guys, so last night was crazy. A long night. Fortunately, we did not make it to the club. We got there late. But I talked to our promoter and he said it's fine, that he has us next time, so that's good. Supposed to leave, but we decided to stay an extra night and go watch another Cirque du Soleil show. We're gonna go watch Love at Mirage. We're staying at the New York. It's a nice little room. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're on the road back home. So last night was really amazing. So many different acrobats and different things to look at all around. And I think it's so far my favorite Cirque show that we've seen. You'll have to watch 1 and O, but we've seen the others, so my favorite. And then watching Caw the first night was fun, being that we were so up close. We're heading home, and until next time, everyone take care. See you guys on the next video.
Many months later.
Good morning. Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. I'm currently in Vegas for my birthday kickoff. It's like our yearly tradition, basically. Have to do a Vegas trip for my birthday. We've actually been here for a couple of days. It's just we didn't do anything too interesting, literally just gambling, eating, so nothing too crazy. Today is Saturday, 12th of May, and we're getting ready for a pool party today, Wet Republic. And then the plan is to go to dinner and then to Omnia. But when in Vegas, not everything goes to plan, so we'll see how it goes. Here's my view. We're at the Aria. Gonna get ready, and I'll see you guys on our next stop. So we're at Wet Republic. We're checking in. Pool party here at the MGM. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we are on the way to Omnia nightclub at Caesar's Palace. I'm really exhausted. We went to the day club today. We're there till they closed. Here we go. We'll see what we get into.